how to transfer money from Nationwide to another bank. If you want to transfer money from Nationwide to another bank, which is to make a wire transfer, it is very simple. Now in this case, you want to simply open the Nationwide mobile banking application and you want to simply log into the application. So you can select get started, and if you haven't registered, make sure you register it and then make sure you log into your account. After you log in to transfer money from Nationwide account to another bank, select the Move Money tab. Once you select the Move Money tab, in the Other Payments section, choose Make an International Payment. Now you can follow the on-screen instructions and either place the QR code, or you can also paste their account number and their bank account name and so on to be able to send money. And after you basically enter the amount, you'll be able to confirm the transaction. This way you'll be able to transfer money from Nationwide to another bank. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.